TesBox.
Welcome back to TesLUCKY, the YouTube channel where you can follow the adventures of Lucky the Tesla. And where today we have our first TesBox to open. Have you heard about the TesBox?
I have from Casey Green.
From Casey Green.
He does a bunch of like unboxing videos of these, and I think you recently got a subscription for it.
I did get a subscription for the TesBox. When I first started seeing the unboxing videos, I was kind of like, well, that's cool, but we don't need that. But that's cool, but we don't need that. And then watching Casey open the latest box, it was like a summer fun box. I thought to myself while we were on our road trip vacation, we actually do need that. So it's $35 is the subscription. You get a box every month with at least 5 Tesla related things in it. I used Casey's referral code to get this subscription. So thank you, Casey, for letting us know about this. And we're gonna open it right now and just see what's inside. You ready, Carly?
Yeah.
Okay.
So here's the box.
Okay, let's get
scissors.
Scissors. Okay.
Scissors.
Well, let's see here.
Sorry,
You need some help?
I don't want to show the address, so.
Yeah, let's not show the address.
No.
That's smart, Carly. You're such a thinker. Always thinking. What does the box look like?
We'll see in a second. So here's what the box. Oh, jeez. It says TesBox.
TesBox here.
I think this might be the summer one.
I think it
Casey
is
grabbed
the
because
summer
it has a little
one,
umbrella and a sun.
which had some really cool things.
Yeah, so I'm gonna hold it up like this. Oh, jeez. Okay, 1 second. Let me just try to get this open. Lid open. Oh, is it? Oh, I get it now. I gotta pull it down somehow. Is there tape on the side? Oh, okay. We got it.
Did you figure it out?
Yep. So hold it. Just hold it. How about you hold the sides and I'll pull it up. Oh, jeez.
TesBox.
Okay. So we'll start one at a time. Little card.
Red like Lucky. Oh, look at that. In Elon we trust. In Elon we do trust.
Yeah. So first off, I saw this in Casey's video. It's this like Model X Frisbee. Do what the gurus do. Ta-da.
I
That's
thought
cool.
This was so cute.
I think that's cool too.
I really, really like this.
I would want to get that like a decal. Ooh, decal like on like a computer or something. Like they should sell like just a decal like that.
Yeah,
That
I
would be
agree.
cool.
I agree. It's a lucky Frisbee.
Lucky Frisbee. Next we got a water bottle that just says TesBox.
Box. TesBox.
TesBot.
No bots. Box.
Okay.
Cool.
Okay.
Okay.
We got a face mask.
A Tesla face mask? Why don't you model that?
Sure. Unboxing. Do. It's one of those cloth masks. I'm not the biggest fan of these masks. It's a little big on me, but
Well, let me see. Maybe it'll fit me.
yeah, baby. It smells nice though. I like
me
the
see.
smell. Oh yeah, that's kind of more for you.
Okay. Tesla face mask. We'll keep this in the car. I'll replace it. I've got this one sort of handy for situations where I need it. I'll replace it with this one
Yeah.
now in our little drawer here.
So next we got a little pop socket.
Ooh.
Maybe you put this on your phone. I'm not the biggest fan of these, but we got one.
Okay. It's
Next,
cool.
I saw this little charge thing, but we got a controller.
We got a controller. What?
I think now we can.
Is this what you needed for that MCU2 video?
I think
You're kidding me. Oh my gosh, we gotta set this up and see.
All right, this video we're setting it up and we're gonna play games.
Okay, yeah, we're gonna set this up right away.
Yeah.
Wow.
That's cool.
That's really, really cool.
Yeah, and it has like plug in. That's really
All right,
nice.
this
still need an
TesBox
Xbox.
is giving. You don't need an Xbox
Yes,
or
I
a
do.
PlayStation now.
I do.
Hey, that video is up to like 46 likes. She's like halfway to the Xbox.
Yeah, I still need it. Okay, so I see this. What is this? I don't know what this is.
Oh, don't rip it.
I'm not gonna rip it. I'll find a way to open it. Let's see. Is this like a bag? What? Oh, I think I know what this is. To wipe Lucky down with.
It's like a car wash towel?
Car wash towel? I think so. I was thinking maybe a screen.
For the screen?
Yeah, I'm not really sure.
I don't know. Okay.
And then lastly we got some, ooh, I want these.
Oh, the sexy
We got
sunglasses.
some sexy sunglasses.
Look at
I
that.
want these.
Show the sexy.
It has like a...
Yes, for sure. Okay. Well, let's get this set up. I want to see how this
I want to
works.
get that set up too.
Okay.
I still need a PlayStation, but that's all right.
All right, let's see.
I will get that PlayStation.
Isn't this cool? We got this?
Yeah, that is cool.
Wow.
Was that in Casey's video?
Well, I don't know, because he's gotten 4 test boxes.
True.
Casey, did you get this in like your first or second test box video? Which
I bet I have a feeling that this one comes in like your first one.
maybe, because it
Welcome.
like kind of lures you in, because it's like a big ticket item.
Okay,
but
we're gonna get this set up.
let's get that set up.
So
Okay,
we
so
have
what
the
do you do here,
cord.
Carly?
I wonder if this is a charger. Is this Bluetooth?
Do we have to charge it?
Yeah, I'm not sure. Let's see. I have an idea. Is there like a plug-in Lucky? Do we plug it in?
Oh, right here is there's a
Okay, let's try that, let's try
USB
that.
right here.
We're gonna start off with the cat game once we get this set up. I am gonna quickly pull the game up. So entertainment, cat quest. Okay, vehicle from USB. So you plug that in. That's plugged in. Then we plug this in, I believe. Play game.
Wow.
Superchargers just got 10 times more fun now.
Because of Cat Quest?
And
Oh,
because
just
we got
in
the
general.
USB,
Yeah,
just in general.
no. It's so
Oh my
smart that they sent that.
I know. We're in English, I guess. Now I have to learn all the controls. Okay, it's X.
Is it working?
Long time ago, dragons, rails. Hopefully we won't get copyrighted. Only cats known as the dragon blood could defeat him. But slowly they vanished and never seen again. Ooh.
Is it working?
Oh, yeah! New game. Alright, we're playing this cat game. This sounds...
Will you always be there for me, Carly?
Of course, I'll always be there.
Always!
This is starting to freak me out.
This is so much fun. Boy, the test box is fun. Look at that.
This kind of reminds me of Genshin. Why is this kind of like Genshin?
So show what you're doing here.
I'm pressing the buttons. So like, oh, the poor
Do you
kitty.
move it?
The
Where'd it go?
kitty. Oh, that's the unknown god. This is...
So
Okay.
is it... Okay, so you're moving it now?
No, this is a cutscene. Oh, geez.
Oh, this isn't the actual game?
No, this is a cutscene. It kind of reminds me of when you first join Genshin, they kind of have something like that.
This is like an ad?
No! This is kind of like a mini story to begin with. Oh, look at the
Okay.
kitty.
So we sit and wait and watch the story.
So when you first join Genshin Impact, they kind of have something like that.
Okay.
Alright then, well, poor kitty. Do we get the Nightmare Cat? Ooh. What do I do? Oh, thank goodness you're alive. I'm Sparty, your guardian spirit. Aw. I gotta find out. Okay, it's X. Listen, dragons have returned. We need to screw a town quickly. We can save your questions for later. This is how you run. Okay. Do we go over here? Pause up. A monster is coming. This is how you attack enemies. Oh,
Oh,
wow.
good job, Carly.
Thanks.
Wow.
The red circle shows an enemy attack range. Press this button to roll away. Oh, you can roll. Oh. You can catnap in town and try to heal your wounds.
I like catnapping.
I like catnapping too.
All right, well that's
That
really
is
really
why.
cool. I think
Oh, my little character's catnapping. How cute.
oh, catnapping in a Tesla.
Yeah.
Maybe?
You don't talk as much, strong silent type. Don't
All right,
hear
so
you,
what do you
this is
think,
about-
Carly, for the first test box?
This is pretty awesome. I can play this awesome cat game.
It's really, really awesome. We give our first test box a big thumbs
I
up.
give it a 10.
So-
Are we gonna do it next month?
Yeah, so we can go month to month. We can like cancel or suspend it at any time. And based on the value of the loot that we got here, we're definitely going to get next month's test box, Carly.
Yeah, no, I'm gonna.
So what do you think? Are we going to give the test box number 1 2 thumbs up? 2 thumbs up?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. This has been really fun watching you play Cat Quest for the first time now that we have a controller. Yeah, so we are going to queue up here at the end a new playlist that I just created today of 15 of the most fun TesLUCKY videos. And that one actually, that playlist includes the new MCU2 video, the new playlist.
Oh.
I'm going to cue that at the end, and I'm going to let the YouTube algorithm pick another video for people to watch.
Okay.
So thanks for watching. We'll see you in our next video.
Bye. Alright, I'm just gonna play Cat Quest for the next hour. I can cast spells. That's so cool. Whoa, that's cool.